Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Idle and moving straight to Configuration. This is where colors live. Once Idle is open, click Options and choose Configure Idle. You will see several tabs. Go to Highlighting. This tab exposes built-in themes and the controls you need to edit syntax element colors. Make sure to work on a single Idle window so your edits preview correctly. These first clicks get you into the exact place where foreground and background settings are changed. You now choose a base theme or start a custom one. That gives you sensible defaults. Select a syntax element like keyword, string, or comment, then click the color swatch to set foreground and background. Explain why. Consistent contrast improves readability and reduces eye strain, so prefer darker backgrounds with lighter code text or vice versa. Use the preview pane repeatedly as you tweak colors. Once you see clear, legible text patterns across types, you're ready to save a custom theme name. Finish by clicking Apply and then OK. This writes your selections into Idle configuration. Once done, close Idle and reopen it to ensure the theme loads everywhere. If you still see the old colors, make sure only one Idle instance was running when you saved. Alternatively, locate your idlerk folder and rename or remove config highlight. CFG so Idle regenerates a clean file. That resolves stuck or corrupted highlight settings in most cases. Make sure to backup files first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.